Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to do a seamless pattern using Procreate. I already prepared my canvas that is 3600 by 3600 pixels. As you can see on our thumbnail, we are just going to do a simple floral and leaves so that this will just be quick. Now I'm starting to draw some flowers. I don't have any particular color palette actually, so I'm just randomly choosing any colors on my Procreate, and then yeah, we'll just continue on and make different sizes of flowers. Making seamless patterns seems very intimidating at first, but once you get the hang of it, I think it's pretty easy. I admit I'm still a beginner with creating seamless pattern, but I just want to share with you this simplest way that I've learned through YouTube too. But if you know any other way, the simplest way to do seamless pattern, please comment it down below. The brush that I'm using is the heavy paint round brush from the watercolor illustration brush set, but I cannot remember where I've downloaded this, but I'll try to find it and link it on the description. I'll speed things up so this video won't take forever. But yeah, so right now I'm doing duplicating the florals that I already did and changing their sizes so that we have variety. And as you can see, the colors are also different from one another. And yeah, let's just continue these, and later on we will do the leaves. So now I am happy with the florals that we added. So let's do the leaves next. But first, I wanted to flatten all the floral layers so that it will be clean. Now I'm choosing the color for our leaves. I just want to use a very subtle color, subtle green for the leaves. There are a lot of ways on how to do seamless pattern. Some that I watch, they are even using different patterns like the OG pattern. So maybe on our next video, I'll be doing or teaching you on how to use that OG pattern. Please comment down if you will be interested in that, or if you have any other topics that you want me to cover or please comment it down. I'd love to hear your ideas and suggestions. So now we're just filling up those blank spaces with the leaves that we are creating. I really find creating seamless patterns very satisfying. How about you? I learned that a lot of digital artists are doing this, so I got curious and then I searched and I learned how to do it, and this is the very first pattern that I made. What do you think? It looks fine, right? And then I fell in love doing it, and I never stopped. I just couldn't. And since the Halloween season is coming, I decided to make patterns for the Halloween season, and these patterns are available on my Etsy shop. I have two Etsy shop actually. One, I sell digital patterns and digital arts, and then another shop I am selling print-on-demand items, which the designs are the ones that I am making. Now we are done with our initial design, so we have to group it, duplicate the group, and we want to lock this layer so that we have the original files. As you can see earlier, I was trying out different backgrounds, but now I have decided to just make it white. Now let's duplicate this group, and then we will slide one to the left and then the other one to the right. Make sure that magnetics and snapping are on. Now let's slide the first layer to the left. Make sure that you see those 4 orange lines before lifting your pen. Let's repeat the process for the next layer, but now you'll have to slide it to the right. As you can see, there are gaps in the middle, so we want to fill those up with the flowers and leaves. But before that, let's just flatten the similar layers on both groups, like what I'm doing now. Now we're ready to move and to adjust the elements so that those blank spaces will be filled up. Let's move this floral more to the middle by selecting it and then moving and scaling it. Let's do the same process for the leaves. And now let's merge those duplicates. Let me just adjust one more. Copy and paste this tiny floral and move it right here. And then these leaves, let's scale it and adjust it to fill the space up. Sorry, but let me just do one more. Now we are ready to repeat the process earlier, but this time we will duplicate this layer and move each one up and down. Again, please make sure that you see those 4 orange lines before you lift your pen up. There are again blank spaces, so let's make some adjustments once more. And first, we flatten or we merge the similar layers for both groups. Let's merge all the florals again. And now, let's do my most favorite part in creating seamless pattern. Testing if all sides are seamless. Slide 3 fingers down, copy all. Slide 3 fingers down again, and then paste. This creates a flattened image. Let's make 4 copies of that image. Make sure that magnetics and snappings are on. Let's scale down the first image to the top left. The second layer to the top right. And then the third copy to the bottom left. And then the last one to the bottom right. Make sure that you see those 4 orange lines before you lift your pen up. And now, you have just created a seamless pattern. This pattern can be used in so many different materials like tote bags, desk mats, mugs, tumblers, and many more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.